When you think of IIT Bombay, you probably imagine engineers building robots or cracking codes. But hidden inside this tech haven is a creative powerhouse that has changed Indian design forever. IDC School of Design. From designing rupee coins to shaping India's design education, IDC has done it all. Let's get to know the story of IDC, a dream institute for thousands of students. In July 1969, the Apollo 11 mission landed the first humans on the moon. In October 1969, the first ever message was sent over the internet. The globe was shifting gears. Technology, communication, culture, all were being reimagined. And back in Powai, inside IIT Bombay, a group of visionaries were doing something equally radical for India. They were building the country's first structured design school within a tech institution. India was just over 2 decades old as an independent nation. The Nehruvian vision of self reliance had given birth to IITs, steel plants, and dams. Our engineers were building roads, our scientists were building reactors, our politicians were building policies. But one question remained unanswered: who was designing for the people? Who was thinking about the user? About how things looked and felt and functioned in the hands of everyday Indians? By the mid 60s, institutions like NID Ahmedabad had started changing this narrative. With the help of UNESCO and the Ford Foundation, NID was training designers to serve the craft, industry, and innovation. But India needed more, especially in the spaces where technology and design could work together. Not just form, but function, systems, and usability. And that's when a new idea was born. Thus, in 1969, the Industrial Design Center (IDC) was established at IIT Bombay as one of the first interdisciplinary hubs for design in India. Over the years, IDC became the birthplace of design for the masses. It gave us the rupee symbol designed by Dr. Uday Kumar. IDC designed the Indian electronic voting machines, a revolutionary innovation that upholds the world's largest democracy. IDC also gave us an example of breaking societal stereotypes by creating a designer like Ram Kripa Ananthan, who designed the iconic Thar and XUV series of Mahindra. IDC has been proving that design isn't elitist, but it is essential. So let's understand why IDC School of Design at IIT Bombay is not just another design school, but a completely different mindset altogether. Now, if you compare the three biggest names in Indian design education, that is NIFT, NID, and IDC, there's a clear distinction in their approach. At NIFT, the focus is on fashion, textiles, and Indian rich aesthetic heritage. NID leans heavily into the form, feel, and philosophical side of design, concepts, storytelling, and beautiful execution. But IDC takes a different route. It's all about solving the real Indian problems using design thinking, grounded in technology, systems, and innovation. So, in your UG journey at IDC, you won't be stuck in one box like product design or animation design. Instead, you'll get your hands dirty in everything from photography, typography, game design, design storytelling, pottery, system design, vehicle design, product thinking, even speculative and futuristic design. You can study it all. Now, some of you might ask, but what if I want to do a specialization later? Well, that's the beauty of IDC. If you're doing your BDes here, you get a golden opportunity in your third year. You can choose to extend your degree by one more year and get both bachelor's and master's in just 5 years. Yes, not 6 but 5 years. So if you want to go deep in interaction design or mobility or communication design, IDC lets you do that without wasting any extra time. But wait, how do you actually get into IDC? Well, for the undergrad program, you'll have to crack a national level entrance exam called UCEED. Now, let me be honest, most of the students don't crack UCEED on their first try. The ones who do, they usually have one thing in common: not just drawing skills, but clarity of thought. At Sharp Pencil Design Studio, we don't just teach you how to sketch, we help you to think like a designer. If you're dreaming of being a part of the IIT Bombay's design legacy, this is your first step. Start preparing the right way, the sharp way. Contact us with the information shown on the screen. Let's get a little more inspired. Let's talk about what IDicians are doing today and why this institute has quietly shaped India's design landscape for over 5 decades. Between 1969 and 1999, IDC saw its first 30 batches graduate. That's a total of 522 students over 30 years. Now here's the crazy part. Out of these 522 graduates, 174 are currently in leadership roles. Heading design teams at global companies, government innovation labs, design studios and startups. IDC alumnus Zulkarnain Nazar recently won the Red Dot Design Award, considered the Oscars of the design world. That's not just a trophy, that's a global recognition for Indian design thinking. And how can we not talk about Abhishek Verma, another IDC alumnus, who won a national award for Best Animation Film for his deeply moving short film, Macher Jhol, The Fish Curry. These aren't just awards, these are stories of how one institute quietly shaped some of the India's best creative minds. And if you're dreaming of being one of them, this is your chance. Make your IIT dream a design reality. Join us at Sharp Pencil Design Studio and let's get you ready for USEED the right way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such inspiring content. Until then, see you next time.